Candy with Eyes to Jesus.blogspot.com, and I am actually just heading over to exercise, but I just checked my phone, and a very special package on my shipping tracker from Amazon is only 2 stops away. So I'm going to go ahead and wait on this package, and I will do a quick unboxing here on camera before I go and work out. So 2 stops away. This is exciting. Alright, it was just delivered. That's all I did was cut open the end. I haven't gotten into it yet. And let's take a look at this planner. I am pretty excited. And then after all this, I'm going to take this excitement and use it to funnel in energy into exercising. So let's see what we got. Okay, we got a nice box with a cute little sticker on it. And this box is wrapped in plastic, so it's like unwrapping a present. Now we got to open the box. Inside the box is another box. And here we go. This beauty is in the pretty sturdy bag. I mean, it's a little bit see-through, but it's a pretty nice bag. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. Look at that. Wow, I love pink planners. So when I saw that this was available in pink, I jumped at it, so excited. And then we got something else here in the box. Also here in some plastic, we got a leather fly leaf that I can use with the planner if I so desire. That is so pretty. It's got 3 card slots in it if I want to use this leather fly leaf and have some extra card slots. And this is a nice genuine leather on both sides, just like this beautiful planner is. Let's take a look at this planner. So what kind of planner do you think this is? Isn't that gorgeous? So look, it came with some memo paper. Looks like about almost 100 sheets of it. So let's take this memo paper out. Oh, I am loving this. And the rings are removable. They are held in with flathead screws. So you can remove or replace the rings with just flathead screwdriver. I love removable rings. And the rings are 30.5 millimeters. That is almost 1.25 inches. This is personal size. This leather is a full grain, genuine cowhide lychee pattern leather. I love lychee leather. Wow. It is so buttery soft. Got a little thing back there. There we go. Very, very buttery. And this is called the rose pink. So, front pockets. We have a zipper pocket right here. We have a side pocket right here. We have a little card pocket right here, or whatever you want to put into it. A nice secretarial flap. I like how the inside of the pocket is brown, because brown and pink go very nice together. And on the back, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card slots. Ooh, and these do not go all the way down. That's nice. So you can put cards in here, and they're not going to get lost inside the planner. And then another secretarial pocket. And then, of course, and a pen loop, of course, and it is elasticized on the back. And then my favorite part, ta-da! I love that because I can take a regular size, letter size sheet of paper and just fold it in half once and pop it in here. So that's how I can fit a full size sheet of paper right here in a personal size planner. This is incredible. I am really, really liking this. And I like how on this one I have the zipper and this side pocket right up here because I like to keep my wallet in my planner. So now I can have some spending cash and some change next to each other. So that is fabulous. Alright, so if you've been watching any of my previous planner videos, you probably have a guess of what this is. If not, and this is your first time on my channel, or you haven't seen my previous videos lately, let me tell you, this is not a Giglio Campagna. Let's see how much this would cost as a Giglio Campagna, because if you notice, it's darn right close to identical to Giglio Campagnas in the personal size. So, let me just bring up the website here, which I think I already have open in a browser. Okay, here's a comparable Giglio Campagna. This one is what they call their Epoca Pink. It looks reddish to me in the picture. Alright, and then we have this one, which is Rose Pink. Alright, so their Epoca Pink, which is comparable to this, is how much? So converted to US dollars, it is $335.71, and that's not counting shipping. I got this brand new for $53.99 and free shipping, free 2-day shipping. I got this from Amazon, and I am an Amazon Prime member. And this is not a Giglio Campagna, this is a Moterm personal planner. I will try to remember to link this in the description box in case you want to get one. This is one of their new colors, at least new on Amazon, the Rose Pink. And this is fabulous because, you know, I have some other Moterm personal planners, but they have the zipper in the back and slightly different pocket configuration. And I was just thinking to myself the other day, I really wish I could have that planner in pink, and that the zip could be up front so that it's more convenient to use as a wallet, so we can have the zip and this pocket together. And I was actually looking at a different planner for a friend on Amazon, but then I thought, well, while I'm on, let's just see how many colors they have currently of the personal Moterms. And they usually only had 7 colors. When I brought it up, it said 13. Yes, they have new colors, and this is one of them. And on their new colors, they have the current Giglio Campagna pocket configuration, which I really, really like. What is cool, though, is their back card slots in the Moterm are straight. I think in the Giglio Campagna, they kind of go at an angle, which always looked kind of strange to me. And then otherwise, this front pocket, it's pretty much identical, except it doesn't say Giglio Campagna here, because this isn't. This is a Moterm. And I am very excited to use this, so I'm going to grab the current planner I'm in, and I'm going to move it into this and see how it goes. By the way, the current planner I'm in is another Moterm personal planner that's very similar to the Giglio Campagna, but its pocket configuration is closer to the A6 Giglio Campagna than the personal or medium Giglio Campagna. And I'm currently in the one that's called Milled Coffee on the outside. And then on the inside, it's a different color. It's this type of grayish color. So here's the pocket configuration of the other personal Moterms. So you can pick which pocket configuration you like. See, this one has some card slots and some side pockets on the front. And then it's got some card pockets and your zipper on the back. Both have the big back pocket, which is awesome. But I'm going to move from this baby into this one. Then we'll see how it fits in there. I moved everything over. Here is my current initial setup. Oh my gosh, I am loving this, by the way. It sits really nice. The leather, of course, is very buttery soft, smells amazing. The strap seems a little bit of a thicker leather than on my other Moterms, which is really cool. I like that. And the shade of pink is just perfect. And this sits so nice because, you know, I like to have my planners stuffed. And look how nice it sits in there. Look how comfortable the rings are in the spine. And look at how, even though it's got a top pocket, I don't have the top pocket gapping out at all at the top. You know, it gaps out at the top on this one. It gaps out on the top on all of my top pocket planners, including my Filofax one. But this one, and maybe it's just this particular one, but it's not gapping out at all. It's just, it's like a perfect fit. So I'm very happy with this. This is the shade of pink that I was wanting to have in a portable size, a daytime or Malibu, which is the same size as personal. And this is the shade of pink that I was hoping for with the Filofax Malden. The closest I can find was fuchsia, which was of course way too purple. So I finally have my pink planner that I've been looking for, but even better because it's got the top pocket and it's got a great pocket configuration. So let me show you how I got this set up, at least for the time being. So as you saw from the top, it's pretty stuffed, but it's still sitting very nice. Here it is from the bottom. And then here is the side, and it only comes with one pen loop, but you know me, I like to have 2 pens in my planners. So, going inside, in the front zipper pocket, I just put in some change, and in this side pocket, I was going to put my cash in there, but it's just a little bit too short for that, unless I want to fold, you know, the cash in half, which isn't a problem. But instead, I put my plastic insert in there that I always have that keeps all my extra cards that I don't use too often, and I also have postage stamps in there. And then for cash, I'm just keeping it inside the secretarial flap here, which is working out just fine. This pocket here, I have Avery dots, Avery labels, hole reinforcement stickers, and then I just have a journaling card popping out here at the top for a little bit of color, so I thought it was cute. And I still have my same dashboard or welcome page, trimmed down Happy Planner cover. It says you are exactly where you need to be today. I love that. My second pen I have clipped to my first divider. I just click on some binder clips and just pop it right in. And I am back to the homemade dividers that I made January of this year, 2019. So this is the divider for home, or my homemaking section. This is the divider labeled School for my homeschooling section. This is the divider labeled Budget for my budgeting section. This is the divider labeled Notes for my notebook. And then this is the divider labeled Planning for where I have all my planning pages. You can see my monthly tabs popping out there. And then my bookmark popping out here for my day and 2 pages today where I am at. And then I got all my back matter. I got my back page lifter. It goes in here just fine. In the very back here, I have business cards in the bottom slot, and then I just have little journaling cards popping out here on these other slots. My main cards that I do use, I have in a plastic insert in here in the back matter. And there is my pen in the pen loop, my favorite pen. And then I've got, of course, papers here in the back. This is also where I will put bills when I get them in the mail that are waiting to be paid. Yeah, I am loving this. It is fabulous. If you are not familiar with these types of planners, they are very floppy. So if you like floppy unstructured like I do, this is amazing. However, if you like a more structured planner or a more stiffer planner, don't bother with these. These are more floppy than the Daytimer Malibus and more floppier than the Filofax Maldens, and that's one of the things I love about them. So I am very happy in this planner. It seems to provide everything that I have wished for in a planner, so I'm going to have a lot of fun being in this and playing around with this later. But alas, right now, I need to go exercise. Have a blessed day.